Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Arpita Paul and I am back again with another new video. And today I am going to teach you how you can pass parameter or argument within your user defined method. Okay, so let's move on to the writing part. So you can see I have already written a program here. Let me explain that. So parameter or arguments are the values which will be passed within the method and will be used for the operations. Okay. So here for that first I have created a class named parameter, and then within that I have declared one method named area which is void type. That means it returns nothing, and the access specifier of this area method is public. That means it is accessible by other member method of this class. And see, within the bracket I have written int space a. So this is the value or the variable we are passing here. This is called the argument or the parameter. We can add as many as parameters we need to execute a program. Okay, so here I need only one variable. That is why I have written int space a. So to pass the parameter or the argument, first we will mention the data type, and then separating with space we will mention the variable name, like I have done here, int space a. So the variable name is a and it is integer type. So whatever value I will input, that will be stored here, that will be inputted using this section and will be used within the method. Now how to use that value? Let me show you. You can see here I have declared another variable named s, which is also integer type, and here I am performing multiplication a into a. Okay, that means I am calculating the area of the square. So a into a will be multiplied. Whatever value we will input here, that value will be multiplied here and will be stored within the variable s. And to see the output, we need to print the value of s. That is why I have written the statement system.out.println 1 dot area is equals to separating with plus s. So here is the method, user defined method named area, which is having only one parameter as input. Okay. Now let me show you how many parameters we can add in one method. So see, in this method I have added only one parameter or argument. If we need more than one, then what we will do? See here I have written another program named area1, which is also void type. That means it will return nothing, and which is also public type access. That means it is accessible by other member methods of this class. Now see here I have declared two variables. So if I need more than one value, then we will write like this. Separating with comma, we will mention the data type first, then separating with space we will mention the variable name, like this. Like I have written here, int space a comma int space b. So once we will call this method, we need to input two values. Okay, so this is how we can take two values. So this is how easily we can input as many as parameters we required. Okay, so and it's not compulsory that we have to input only one type of data. We can take any other type also. That means we can combine different datas also, like we can input integer type and double type together. Now see here within the method I have written int space c equals to a into b. So whatever value I will input, that will be multiplied and will be stored within c. And to see the output, we have to print the value of c. That is why I have added the statement system.out.println 2 area is equals to plus c. So this is one method where I am passing only one value. This is another method where I am passing two values. Okay. Now how to call those methods and how we will pass those values? We have declared the variables, but how we will pass it? For that, within the main method, I have written public static void main, and then within the main method I have created the object of the class. So the respective class name you have to provide. My class name is parameter. You can see here, that is why I have written here parameter space ob equals to new parameter. So this is how I am creating the object of the parameter class. Now as the method area and area1 is present in parameter class, so we have to call these methods using this object. So for that I am writing ob.area and ob.area1. Now see, as we are passing the parameter or the argument within the method, that is why here I have to provide the value. So for this one I am providing 2. So I have written ob.area within bracket 2. As I have declared the variable as integer type, that is why I have passed one integer type value. And for same way, for this one, I have written ob.area1 2, 4. As we have declared two integer type variable here, that is why I am passing two integer type values here. Okay, so let me show you what will be the output. I am compiling the program. See, class compile, no syntax error. I am minimizing the window. Now I am right clicking on the class, clicking on the void main, clicking on OK. See, you can see the output. Area is 4 for the first one, 2 into 2, and area is 8 for the second one, 2 into 4. Okay. Now see this one. Here I have declared the method and I am passing a parameter here. So when I am calling the method, if I am not passing any value, what will be the output? I am compiling the program and see error is showing. So I am pressing Ctrl plus K to see the error. Method area in class parameter cannot be applied to given types. Required int, as we have passed one integer type variable here and found no argument. So it's quite natural, if you're passing one argument within the method, then you have to pass the value while you are calling the method. Okay, so this is how the parameterized method works. Okay, now I hope you can do it in your own. Thank you everyone. I hope you have understood everything and now you can do it in your own. Hope you have liked the video. Like and share the video, and if you have any video suggestion, please mention it in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you.